Title: The Little Moments. Once, in a quiet village, there was a young girl named Lily who loved the sound of rain. Every time it drizzled, she'd sit by her window, watching the world turn silver. One day, her grandmother, who had lived with her family for as long as Lily could remember, noticed Lily sitting alone. With a gentle smile, she sat beside her, holding a cup of warm tea. Lily looked up, her eyes full of questions. "Why do you always take the time to watch the rain with me, Grandma?" she asked. Grandma smiled softly. "Because, my dear, it's in the little moments that we truly find love." She handed Lily the warm tea, and they sat together, listening to the rain. In that silence, there was more than words. There was understanding, connection, and love that filled the room. As the years passed, Lily grew, but she never forgot those little moments. The rain, the quiet, and the love that filled the space between.